Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. So I'm officially married, as you guys seen in my last video. I decided to recreate my my makeup that I did when I got married. I did get married in the Seville, so it was pretty simple. If you guys would like to see how I did this bride, I don't even know how to call this video, but bride makeup. Oh my god, I'm so off. But anyways, if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my face. I am using my Makeup Forever primer, and I chose this primer because I am oily and I wanted my foundation to stay. So yeah, then I went ahead and I applied my foundation. I used the 24-hour Superstay foundation by Maybelline. I'm not sure about the color that I'm using right now, but I'll link it down below for you guys. And then for concealer, I used my Revolution concealer. And I'm not sure about the shade either, but I'll link it down below. And yeah, that's what I did. And then I decided to contour my face a little bit, so I used my Wen Wild contour stick, and I just contoured just a little bit, not so much, because I didn't want to overdo it. So yeah, that's what I did. Then I went ahead and blended my concealer. I blend my contour, and yeah, guys, the key is blending. So don't get tired, don't get frustrated. You could do it. Just, you know, it takes time. So yeah. To set my under eyes, I am going to be using my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D, and I'm using the really nice light powder, and I'm just setting my under eyes and my entire face. And then with the same palette, I am going to be bronzing my face as well. For blush, I am using my Morphe palette, and I'm just applying my blush because I love blush. Then I went ahead and I applied my highlighter. I am using my Makeup Forever highlighter, and I love this highlighter. It's one of my favorites. So yeah, that's what I did. I'm going to be using my Jaclyn eyeshadow palette, and I went ahead and took the really nice light orange, and I applied it on my crease and I blended. Then I took this really nice brown and I applied it right in the outer corners and crease of my eyes, and I made sure it was really nice and blended as well because we don't want no harsh lines. And yeah, and then I took this really darker brown, and I also did the same thing. I applied it right in the outer corners of my eyes and then the crease, and I just blended once again. Then I took this really nice gold shimmer. I loved this color, guys. It's so perfect, so neutral. It's just perfect. So yeah, I went ahead and I applied it like halfway of my crease, as you see me doing right now. Now for eyelashes, I went ahead and I applied my Luna Moon eyelashes. I got them on Amazon and they are bomb. Like they're like $11, $10. So yeah. And then for lipstick, I went ahead and I applied my Too Faced liquid lipstick. I believe this one is in the color Cool Girl, and it's a really nice nude color. So yeah, guys. And then I went ahead and took my setting spray by Morphe, and I just set my entire face. And voila, we're done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is the perfect makeup for those girls who don't really like to put on makeup, if you know what I'm saying. So if you're gonna get married, girl, I got you. This is the look. This is so perfect because, like I said, it's super neutral and anyone could wear it. I really hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and make sure you subscribe and turn off your notification for you could get notified when I upload, okay? Because I'll be uploading more often because yeah. I think that's about it, my loves. I really hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.